Yo, so back again. So I got myself that new Ozark knife everybody's been making a video out of and stuff. So here's the packaging. Here's the specs on it. There you go. Got it from Walmart. Trusty good old Walmart. And I got it for, what was it, 10 bucks? Yeah, 10 bucks. Yeah, it's not bad. I've been messing with it all day. Pretty good action, not gonna lie. It just drops. Oh, damn, I fucked that up. There you go. Pretty nice, not bad, can't complain. There we go. Yeah, pretty sick knife for 10 bucks. Not bad at all. Alright, guys. Peace.